Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. In this video, I want to talk to you about therapeutic fasting and its effects on infections. It is important for us to know this information because of the coronavirus situation that we are dealing with. Fasting causes a metabolic switch, meaning you stop using the fuel from outside, which is glucose, and start using the fuel from within, which is fat. Just like you work out to strengthen your muscles and you push yourself, it is the same concept. Fasting is basically a workout for your metabolism. Fasting also leads to rejuvenation of cells and tissues. So basically by fasting, you allow your body to heal itself. Fasting also leads to a reduction of inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Clinical studies have found that fasting actually leads to normalization of blood pressure and even blood glucose. This all results in stronger immune system in general, less chronic diseases, slow aging, and longevity. Last but not least, it uplifts the mood, which is very important in a time like this when anxiety is mass spread and people are struggling in all sort of ways. Now, there are different kinds of fasting. The easiest form of fasting that pretty much any healthy individual can do without supervision is intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is when you eat for a certain period of time and then you fast for a certain period of time. So basically, you eat for 8 hours during the day and then you fast for 16 hours. You have restricted time of eating. So let's say you stop eating at 5 p.m. and you resume eating the next day at 9 a.m. This helps the body to reset itself. When you resume eating, start your day with a warm drink, preferably at the same time every morning, even if you're not hungry. Why warm drink? In this particular case, because coronavirus doesn't seem to like warm in general, so the environment you want to create is uninviting for the virus. Along with that, you should hang out in the sun and wear clothes to keep your body temperature slightly warmer. When you stop eating around 5 p.m., by the time you go to bed, your stomach is pretty much empty. You sleep better with an empty stomach. There's nothing wrong with taking tea or coffee. You can have non-caloric food after the eating hours during that time of fasting. And you will feel fresher in the morning. It will help you maintain a routine and order for yourself and for your body and will make you feel in control. It will help you control your anxiety and help you feel better. Don't forget that your ability to fast and its effects on your body vary according to your age, gender, overall health condition, whether you're pregnant or nursing. All of these conditions matter. So please consult your healthcare provider before you start therapeutic fasting, especially if you have any underlying health conditions, you're elderly or pregnant. Now let's talk about what fasting does for infections in general. Let me tell you this, we have no data at this point to determine whether fasting helps in case of coronaviruses, or what kind of fasting helps, or any substantial data on fasting and its effect on COVID-19. It is too early for that. But generally speaking, when we are ill, we usually lose our appetite. The same is true for animals and even insects. This is body's natural response to the illness, and we should respect that. So if you're dealing with an infection, any infection, and don't feel like eating, don't force yourself, but drink. Force yourself to drink, especially warm drinks. You need to clear out your system. You have to flush out the toxins, and you have to keep up your energy levels. You cannot allow your body to lose too much energy, which you will if you don't drink adequate amounts of liquids. Fasting's effects on viral and bacterial infections have shown different results. Like I said, we don't know what its effects are going to be on COVID. We have no data. But there is no doubt that it will help your immune system and put you in a much better position to be able to fight off any infection. In a nutshell, I would highly recommend intermittent fasting in general for better immunity. But if you contract coronavirus, don't insist on fasting. Drink a lot of warm soups or other warm drinks. That's more important than food in a condition like this. Once you're recovering, eat lots of fresh fruits, vegetables, fresh juices at room temperature. Don't drink anything cold. Continue to take your vitamins, your zinc, get plenty of sunlight, all the things you need to rebuild your immunity. This is it for this video. I'll see you shortly with another video. Until then, take care of yourself and take care of each other. Stay indoors, stay safe, stay blessed. Goodbye.